Welcome to the world of the dark, mysterious, and deadly beautiful mermaids of Pirates of the Caribbean. This hairstyle was a bit difficult to manage with only images, but I was able to figure it out, and it is so pretty. And the nice thing is, you don't have to be exact with it, so perfection is definitely not needed here. It should look like you could swim in it. So what I did here is I started with a center parting, and now I'm going to piece off the section and start twisting upwards towards the center parting. Each one of our sections is always going to move towards the center of the head. I'm going to put in 2 bobby pins. You can do this from front to back or back to front. Either way you do it, you want to make sure they are as hidden as possible, so put them through the tube of the twist. And with the second one, lock it with the first one. And that will lock your hair into place. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go from one side to the other and then back again, just to make sure I am symmetrical with my partings. As you can tell, I'm not going to be using a comb to make sure that these are absolutely precise, because they're not supposed to be. You can smooth out any bumps if needed with a brush. And then again, you can see I'm twisting upwards towards the center parting on top of my head. I'm joining this twist as close as I can to the first one, pinning it into place, and with the second pin locking it down. So now moving over to the other side, making sure I grab about the same amount of hair, and doing the exact same thing. I can stop here, but I decided to do 2 more sections. This is a really nice way to have your hair down, but still up and out of your face. I think it's a very elegant look, a really great one to take to the beach or pool or anywhere you want to go. It's a nice summery look. And there is the completed look. You may not get perfection with hiding your bobby pins in the back, but the point is for it to look just like this. It's almost kind of like having ridges or waves in your hair. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I will be putting out more soon, so don't forget to hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful week.